I got my coffee, going to the pool. I think they look so cool. But I got this package and I have no idea what it is.
Black Mirror, hoo-ha-ha.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am currently kind of tidying up my house just for a little bit. Had kind of a crazy weekend. I had a concert that I went to. I also got my hair kind of like touched up dye-wise and cut yesterday. So been a bit chaotic, but today we're home, we're cleaning. Me and one of my girlfriends are gonna go to the park and paint, and I figured it would be really fun to take you guys along with me. I do have something to open really quick that I am really excited about. It's a little Verge Girl mini haul. I got just a few little things and I wanted to open it up with you. Honestly, I'm kind of excited for these and I hope that they are the right sizes. First up are these little shorts that are so fun. Like, I just don't even know what to say about them. I'm excited. They are these flowy little blue shorts with like a tiger stripe to it. I just think it's so fun and quirky, and it's like a really cool, fun like little pop for summer outfits. We all know I've been trying to get more color into my wardrobe and really figure out what do I like, what's my style, and I love color, and I've always shied away from color, especially during like 2000 and everything, how the posh, really put together kind of European style was really popular, and it still is, but I have found that I've always been very attracted to color, but I have this inner crisis because I love that other style, but I also love this style. So I go back and forth, and I'm just trying to experiment and see what feels more like me. Like, when I put it on, what makes me feel better, what do I like more, and so far the color, it is just capturing my eye. But you know, style changes. Style is always evolving. Next though, and this one is kind of a fun one. We all know I love a skirt. Kind of a mid-length. I have seen so many people style this kind of skirt with like pants or like little shorts, or even just with underwear underneath it, and I really like that look. That's honestly why I bought this. And then the other one is also again with the mesh. I know it was a really popular thing last year. I liked it last year and I still wear my pieces, so I got a few more. Is these mesh pants that are also like lacy, like see-through. I love these. I might have to hem them, maybe, I'm not sure. I also hope that these fit. I think I might have ordered a size too small, so I might be doing exchanges. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to try them on. But I like these pants, especially for like a pool day. Perfect. And then last one, this I feel like is a fun one too. Pretty little dress, longer dress. I love the little cheetahs on it. I think this is honestly a really cool fit. So I'm gonna be trying these on real quick to see if I need to exchange sizes. Okie dokie, we got the shorts. I love these. They actually fit pretty good. I don't think I need to return these ones. They fit nice. The waistband is like a very stretchy one, so I don't have a problem with that. I like the length. Ooh. I like the length. I like the color. I feel like these are fun. These are so fun. Okay, so these black pants, they actually are not too long. Surprisingly, they're just like a little bit too long, not too bad, but they are a little bit snug, especially around the waist. So I think I would probably return these for a larger size for sure. I don't know if I'm gonna just exchange them or just flat out return them. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I do think I want a bigger size than these if I keep them. Okay, but this cute little skirt, oh my god, I love it. She is the perfect size. She has enough give. She fits perfectly. She's comfy. I love her. I want to wear her today. I think she's so cute. She fits perfect everywhere except in the girl section. I don't like that it's kind of cutting me off. Like, this size right here is pretty small. I was curious if it was a type of dress that had this part up here, but I just went back on the website and looked what it's supposed to look like, and it's not supposed to look like this. So I sadly am gonna return this one too, but I still think I'm gonna try to get these just in a larger size. But she's a pretty dress. She's so pretty. I really like her. But that is a little haul for you guys on Verge Girl. We all know that I love this store. Look, when I was at the concert, I got so many bruises, and I also bashed, it's healed up so much, but I bashed this open and it was bleeding, and then I got so many battle wounds. She goes a little bit crazy when she's out having fun. I just repainted my nails. I did a little bit of dishes. That's what's running right now. Cleaned up a little bit. I was planning on cleaning a little bit more, but because my nails are like freshly repainted, I'm gonna just let them dry before I clean up anything, before my friend continues to come over. So I'm gonna be sitting here editing for a little bit. Alrighty, friend's here. Ambulance is going, but whatever. I changed my outfit real quick because it's kind of a little bit colder. I got all my art stuff in the bag over there, bringing a little snack, and then we're good to go. Are you playing with Auntie? Yes, yes. He's crazy. He's crazy. Back. It's Sunday, the next day. I had kind of just like a nice chill day with my friend. We had a lot of deep conversations, and those just aren't really filmable, you know? But today we are going to the pool. Hi Momo. We're going to the pool with Cassidy. I'm waiting for her to finish up with whatever she's doing at her house. I'm cleaning up mine. Then we're gonna go kind of lounge around the pool, have like a little girls' day, make dinner. I do need to edit some things today, but we're having another nice chill day for the weekend. It's been a pretty good weekend, huh Mo? Huh Mo? But yeah, right now we're cleaning. Do you guys ever have tasks that you just hate to do and you will put them off until forever to do them? Yeah, taking down boxes and unloading the dishwasher are mine. Like, I have no problem with loading the dishwasher. That's fine. Unloading the dishwasher though is like putting a knife in my eye. I don't know if that's too descriptive, but it's so extremely painful for me to unload the dishwasher. Then therefore my dishes take forever for me to do because I'm not unloading my dishwasher. So yeah, just a little rant for you on, does anybody else feel that way? We are off to go to the grocery store to get stuff for tacos tonight because we're doing tacos. Pool was fun. It was really nice and warm. The water was so nice. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, the water was like a perfect warm temperature. Now we're going to go get food stuff.
Watched a really scary episode.
What
Black
was
Mirror,
it?
ooh ha ha.
Oh, I did. Misdemeanor.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. Yesterday was a really nice, relaxing little day. We made some tacos, I'm sure you saw. Today is also going to be another chill day. We're with back-to-back chill days. Me and Momo already went on a walk. He just finished eating his food. I got my coffee here ready to go. I'm actually going to be going up to my rooftop to edit some videos for a little while. And then I think me and my friend Chick are going to be hanging out tonight. Chick and Christine. I'm sure you guys have met them before if you've kept up with the vlogs. Oh, what was that? What was that? He's all ready and fed. Yeah, did you have so much fun? But I got this package and I have no idea what it is. I've ordered a few things from a few different places recently. Mostly it's like been stuff for camping and hiking, not super exciting. But there is one thing that I've ordered recently, fashion-wise, that I'm kind of really excited for. And I have a feeling maybe it's this, but I'm not sure. So let's open it up together. Oh, it is. Yay. So it is this really quirky kind of pant. It's from Free People. I thought these were so stinking cool. Ugh. I want to try them on so bad, but I also don't want to take my clothes off right now. So I will probably come back downstairs and try them on later after I've done some editing. I have the motivation to edit right now, so we're gonna keep with that and run really hard. I got some salted cashews, I got my coffee, I got my big mug of water, so we're gonna go upstairs and edit for a little bit, and then we'll come try the pants on later. But I think these are so cool. Okie dokie, finished with editing, getting everything ready to upload, going. Feels nice. Starting to get a little bit dark and a little bit late, so I'm gonna go make some dinner, clean up my house. I think I want to repaint my nails to be like more of a cherry red. No, not a cherry red, this kind of cherry, like a poppy red, strawberry. Yeah, so we're gonna go do that. Alrighty, we are back home, and before I get to any cleaning, I had to try on the pants. I think they look so cool. Let me back the camera up. I'm gonna get in here so you can try to see the whole of the pant. But I low-key am obsessed. I love these. I love that they're like a low waist. They're like a barrel jean on top of it. But I love this like embroidery, like rope kind of finish on it. I think these are some of the coolest pants ever. These are an instant keep. Like, are you kidding me? These look so good. Oh my god, I love these. I love these so much. Okay, guys, tidy up a little bit. I got a little bit more to take down tomorrow. Everything else is looking pretty nice. I am gonna go head over to Christine and Chick's now to have like a little girls' night. Probably, most likely we're gonna be dancing. I always dance around when I'm with them. I think I'm gonna be repainting my nails, but come along for the fun.